Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all good. Welcome to EdStar online math class. In previous class, we have learnt about what is data, data in tabular form, and pictograph. Data is a collection of information. That information may be about education, sports, bank record, or anything else. Here, to represent that information, we are using tabular form, pictograph, and bar graph. Tabular form and pictograph data representation already we have learned in previous session. One more time I will explain about that. Listen to me. First, tabular form. Represent the data in table for easy understanding is the tabular form representation. Let us see this with the simple example. Children watch programs on television. 50 children watch cartoon. 45 children watch sports. 10 children watch news. 30 children watch serials. 40 children watch movies. To represent this data in table, title of the table is Children Watch Programs on Television. Column heading is Program and Number of Children. Under the heading, place the information. Under Program, write the programs of television like cartoon, sports, news, serials, and movies. According to the program, write the number of children. Next, pictograph representation. Pictograph is a way of representing data using symbols or pictures. These symbols or pictures denote numbers. If the numbers are large, then one symbol is used to represent many people or children like that. Let us take the same example to represent the data in pictograph. In this pictograph, one symbol is equal to 5 children. One symbol is equal to 5 children. 50 children watch cartoon. So, 10 symbols need to place because 10 5s are 50. 45 children watch sports. So, 9 symbols need to place near sports because 9 5s are 45. 10 children watch news. So, 2 symbols need to place near news because 2 5s are 10. 30 children watch serials. So, 6 symbols need to place near serials because 6 5s are 30. 40 children watch movies. So, 8 symbols need to place near movies because 8 5s are 40. I hope students now you can understand well about tabular form and pictograph representation of data. Next, in data handling part 2 session, we will see about bar graph. Bar graph is a representation of numerical data by using rectangular bars. It is also called bar chart. The rectangular bars are uniform. Uniform means that rectangular bars have equal width, which may drawn horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between the rectangular bars. The length of each bar represents a given number. Two types of bar graph. If we draw the rectangular bars vertically, it's called vertical bar graph. If we draw the rectangular bars horizontally, it's called horizontal bar graph. Here we are going to see about vertical bar graph. To draw the vertical bar graph, need to follow few steps. Step 1. Write the title for vertical bar graph. It tells what is being represented in the graph. Step 2. Draw the horizontal and vertical axis. Horizontal axis is X axis. Vertical axis is Y axis. Third step. Mark the scales on the vertical axis. It represents the numerical data. Fourth step. Mark the labels on the horizontal axis. That labels represents the objects or persons or anything else. Fifth step. Draw rectangular bars vertically with same width according to the data. Okay, let us see this with the previous example we have seen for tabular form and pictograph. Title of the vertical bar graph is Children Watch Programs on Television. Draw horizontal and vertical axis. Horizontal axis represent programs. Vertical axis represent number of children. Vertical axis represents numerical data. 1 centimeter vertical axis scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 children. Horizontal axis labels are cartoon, sports, news, serials and movies. Finally, draw the rectangular bars. 50 children watch cartoon program. So, length of the cartoon rectangular bar is up to 50. 45 children watch sports. So, length of the sports rectangular bar is up to 45. 10 children watch news program. So, length of the news rectangular bar is up to 10. 30 children watch serials program. So, length of the serial rectangular bar is up to 30. 40 children watch movies. So, length of the movies rectangular bar is up to 40. First question. The bar graph given below shows the number of vehicles passing through a road crossing in Delhi on a particular day. Title of the bar graph is Number of Vehicles Passing Through a Road Crossing on 7th March 2018. Horizontal axis represents time intervals. Vertical axis represents number of vehicles. Vertical axis scale 1 centimeter, which is equal to 50 vehicles. Horizontal axis labels are 8 to 9 am, 9 to 10 am, 10 to 11 am, 11 to 12 noon, 12 to 1 pm, 1 to 2 pm. 8 to 9 am, 150 vehicles passed. 9 to 10 am, 250 vehicles passed. 10 to 11 am, 200 vehicles passed. 11 to 12 noon, 150 vehicles passed. 12 to 1 pm, 100 vehicles passed. 1 to 2 pm, 250 vehicles passed. We have understand about the bar graph, and now need to answer the following questions. First question: what information does the bar graph give? This bar graph representing about number of vehicles passing through a road crossing on 7th March 2018. Second question: when is the traffic maximum? The traffic maximum 9 to 10 am. How many vehicles pass at that period of time? At that time, 250 vehicles passed. Third question: what is the traffic minimum? The traffic minimum is 12 to 1 pm. How many vehicles pass at that period of time? 12 to 1 pm, 100 vehicles pass. Fourth question: use greater than, less than or equal to complete the statement. Number of vehicles between 8 to 9 am. Number of vehicles between 10 to 11 am. Number of vehicles between 8 to 9 am. 150 vehicles pass. Number of vehicles between 10 to 11 am. 200 vehicle pass. So, number of vehicle between 8 to 9 am less than number of vehicles between 10 to 11 am. Second question. The bar graph given below shows the various activities in which students participated during the summer holidays. Title of the bar graph is Various activities in which students participated during summer holidays. Horizontal axis represents activities, vertical axis represents number of students. Vertical axis scale 1 centimeter, which is equal to 10 students. Horizontal axis labels are drama, dance, singing, computers and public speaking. In drama, 40 students participated. Dance, 60 students participated. Singing, 50 students participated. Computers, 30 students participated. And public speaking, 35 students participated. Next, answer the following questions. What information does the bar graph give? This bar graph information about various activities in which students participated during summer holidays. Second question, which activity was the most popular? How many students participated in the activity? The most popular activity is dance. 60 students participated in dance. How many students took part in public speaking? 35 students participated in public speaking. Next question. What was the total number of students who participated in various activities? Total number of students participated in all activities 40 plus 60 plus 50 plus 30 plus 35, which is equal to 215. So totally 215 students participated in various activities. Last question. Write true or false. The number of students who took part in singing was twice the number of students who took part in drama. In singing, 50 students participated. In drama, 40 students participated. So, the answer is false. I hope students, you have understand well about bar graph. Next, classwork. Chapter 5, Division. Division, terms of division, division properties and division algorithm. Copy these in your math note. In previous class, I have given worksheet. Worksheet do in the A4 sheet. Don't write the worksheet in the math note. Thank you, students.